Imagine this, a customer purchased your course through Razorpay. The payment is successful and they instantly receive the payment receipt too. Now before you even touch your laptop, they automatically get a personalized welcome email with their onboarding video already attached. No manual work, no copying links, no sending emails one by one. So if you are selling online course, digital products, memberships, coaching programs, or even client services, manually sending onboarding emails after every purchase wastes times and create a poor customer experience. So what if this entire process could happen automatically within seconds? Well, that's exactly what we are building today. I have created an automation between Razorpay and Gmail using Pabbly Connect, an all-in-one no-code automation platform that connects your favorite applications and automate repetitive tasks without writing a single line of code. Whether you are a creator, coach, freelancer, or business owner, this automation can save hours every week while giving every customer an instant and professional onboarding experience. And the best part, you can also build this exact workflow with a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And if you found it useful, then you can purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now enough talking, let's build this complete automation step by step. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial, I'm going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder because it is the fastest and the smartest way. So I'm clicking on that option and see this Connect Task Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a single line prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time. See, as soon as I send the prompt, how to automatically send custom onboarding videos via email after purchase, it analyzes my request and asks me which app should trigger this workflow. So I want my trigger application as Razorpay, that I am selecting from here, and next it is asking me about the Razorpay action that I am selecting as payment captured. Next it is asking me to select the app that I would like to use for sending emails. So I am selecting the Gmail from here, and the Gmail action I am selecting as send email, and within a second it will automatically create a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this button and see my workflow is created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow. Look at this, I got the exact applications that I want, that is Razorpay and Gmail. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. See, after getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on the application. After that, it will provide you one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response button. See, it started waiting for a webhook response. But before getting it, we need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay. So for that, I'm going to take you to my Razorpay account. See, this is my Razorpay account. And for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, you need to click on this accounts and settings option. After that, go inside this webhooks option. Next, click on this plus add new webhook and paste the webhook URL in this field that you have copied from your workflow, as well as enter the secret key and select the active event as payment captured, as it is clearly mentioned below in the steps that you need to select the active event as payment captured. Next, click on this create webhook button and see our webhook is successfully saved. Now for getting this webhook response, just go towards your Razorpay Razapay payment pages. I have already created these pages before. Let's say I want to enroll in digital marketing course, so I'm copying its link from here and opening it in a new tab. See, this is the payment page. Let's say I'll enter my full name is Rahul Singh, email address, phone number, and the course as digital marketing. After that, I'm clicking on this pay button. Now I am making one test payment. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see the payment is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response and includes all the test details that I have entered while doing the payment. This means that the connection between our Razapay account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, before going into the action application, I want to add one more application in between them, that is Filter by Pabbly. Here I have selected. Next you need to select the app event that I am selecting as filter values. After that I am clicking on this connect button. Now why I am using this filter here? See, let me explain with a real world example. Suppose you are selling multiple digital products through the same Razapay account. For example, you have a digital marketing course, web development and much more. So whenever a payment is successful, Razapay sends the payment details to Pabbly Connect. But in this workflow, I only want to send the onboarding email for the digital marketing course. That's why I am using this filter. Here I am going to check the product name that is received from the Razapay. If the product name is exactly digital marketing, then only this workflow moves to the next step. Otherwise, this automation will stop right here. See, after selecting the course as digital marketing in this field, next the filter type I am selecting as equal to. You will find out multiple filters here. Use it according to your use case. After that, in this value field, I am entering the same, that is digital marketing. Here I have added and next I am clicking on the save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and the condition is true. So this is how it works. Moving forward, we have our action application as Gmail. Here I have used Gmail for send email to my customer's account. See, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Gmail, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button and click on this add new connection. After that, just sign in with Google. Provide the permission to Pabbly Connect and this is how easily you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect. Next, I'll enter the sender name as HubSpot Academy. Here I have given this name by my choice. You can change it completely based on your own business. After that, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. Next is recipient email address. I am going through the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Razapay. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous applications is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this email address field, I am doing the mapping of email address. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different customers have different information. So for capturing each customer information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time when a new payment is captured based on the customer input, this email address will change. Next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving these blank and directly entering an email subject in this field as welcome to digital marketing course. Here I entered this. You can change it based on your use case. After that, in this field I am going to enter the email content. Here I have added. Now I want to make this email dynamic for each of my users. Means I want that the email will include the specific customer name. So for that, after this hi, I am doing the mapping of customer's full name, that is Rahul Singh. See, it is mapped and I have entered this email content by my choice. You can customize it. As I edit this in a HTML format, that's why I am selecting the content type as HTML. You can also create your HTML email by clicking on this here below, and the complete tutorial of how to create a HTML email link is also there. You can and watch it out. After the labels, I am selecting as inbox, and if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can attach it from here. And after doing all the setup, just click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account to see whether we have received a new mail or not. See, automatically I received a new mail, and look at this mail. It includes my name as a Rahul Singh. After this, hi, and how attractive this mail is. I also added the onboarding video link inside it. So this is how automation works, and I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button, and the automation will occur automatically. Means whenever a new payment is captured through your Razorpay, then automatically the customer will receive the personalized onboarding email including the video link on their Gmail account without you touching your phone or laptop. This is the power of automation. As we have successfully received the mail, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And trust me, this is the easiest way to send custom onboarding videos via email after every purchase. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.